Today we have an exciting topic lined up that's going to pave the way for your successful freelance journey. Whether you're a creative guru, a coder, whiz, or a writing enthusiast, freelancing can be your ticket to independent success. So let's dive in, our 5 step-by-step guide to get you started on the right foot. Step 1, discover your niche. First things first, you need to identify your niche. What skills do you possess? What are you passionate about? Your niche is the foundation of your freelancing career. It is where your expertise shines. Step 2, building your portfolio. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to showcase your talent. Clients want to see what you can do, so start building your portfolio. This could be a personal project, volunteer work, or even a markup assignment. Highlight your skills and let your work do the talking. Step 3, setting up your online presence. In a digital age, your online presence is your calling card. Create a professional profile or platform like LinkedIn, Instagram, or even Facebook. And don't forget about your personal website. It's your personal storefront where clients can learn more about you and your services. Step 4, crafting an irresistible pitch. Now that you have all set up, it's time to reach out to potential clients. But wait, your pitch needs to stand out. Keep it concise, highlight your unique selling points, and show how you can solve your client's problem. Personalization is the key. Number 5, nailing your first gig. Congratulations, you got your first gig. Now it's time to exceed expectations. Communication is crucial. Understanding the project requirements, set clear expectations, and deliver on time. A satisfied client can lead to more referrals and steady work. And there you have it, Freelancing Warrior. By following these steps, you are well on your way to freelancing success. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning and growth. Stay persistent, be open to feedback, and keep perfecting your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy freelancing.